This incident began with a hit-and-run crash earlier that afternoon. As multiple suspects fled into a nearby residential neighborhood, officers moved through yards and alleyways searching for them.
Our officers are on that activity.
Okay. And you guys need to block up the traffic? I mean, block up people entering from there, or?
To check the area for the suspect that fled the scene.
Oh, okay, got it.
They said there's 3 black men adults.
Okay.
One has a yellow blanket around him. One is wearing no shirt. One is carrying miscellaneous items, pretending to be hitchhiking.
And number 3?
It's a black man adult wearing a yellow blanket around him. And he's asking passing motorists to give him a ride.
Where's he at? I see him. Hey, sir, he's in the backyard? Where is he at right now? In the other yard? Okay. Do you still see him? Hey. Yeah, I guess he went on the other side on Eagle Vista. What does he look like?
Black shorts, white top, shorts.
1138 is requesting a unit on Eagle Vista 1 East of Waldo.
Actually, the opposite is reporting that the suspect is walking eastbound on Eagle Vista from Waldo from the resident's backyard. That's going to be an all black, white shirt, blue shorts.
Yeah. We have units right now going the other side.
Yeah, but he's looking through the resident's backyard.
One of the suspects tried to avoid being caught by running into a nearby backyard, removing most of his clothes, and pretending to water the plant, as if he lived there, but it didn't work.
There's a homeowner that came out. Yeah. I think we just go in there. Because he's in there.
Switch over to one of the Clean Waters channel, the mutual aid channel for the TIs all talking on the same frequency.
What started as a routine search for fleeing suspects quickly shifted into something no one expected, a confrontation with someone who wasn't connected to the crash at all. The woman holding the handgun was not one of the suspects. She was Jillian Lauren Shriner, a best-selling author and the wife of bassist Scott Shriner. A well-known public figure, suddenly at the center of a shooting recorded on camera.
Long gray shirt, black hair, black hat. Got the gun in their hand. Okay, well, I got
Put the gun down! What?
Hey,
Put the gun down!
Put it down! Put it down on the ground! Put it down!
X38, help call for a 15 female with a gun. Be behind the residence.
Lay the gun down!
Lay the gun down!
We got one unarmed suspect. Shoot up! Pat, put the gun down!
Put the gun down!
Put the gun down!
She's walking away.
Party's walking up. She's armed. Long gray shorts, black hair, black pants. Take the gun to her hand. Put the gun down!
She what's that gun?
Bro, put the gun down, okay? Put the gun down! Put it down! Put it down on the ground! Put it down on the ground! Get ready? Put the gun down!
He has a gun.
Do that! Hey, put the gun down! Now, we're trying to help you! Put the gun down! Come on, with your hands up!
Drop the gun! You're gonna get shot! You're getting shot! It's the police! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Put the gun down!
Hey, what is she? I can't see from. What is she doing right now?
She just pointed it. That's what she just lifted it up.
Oh, she lifted it.
Get down!
Shut.
Down, get down!
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Help!
After the gunfire, another 911 call was made.
Oh, there were 3 men. She says there were 3 men, and one of them shot her, and the cops are looking for him right now. They have their guns out, and I don't know if they found him yet or not, but they told me to not look out the window, so I'm not sure.
Okay, so he's not in your yard. You don't know that he's there?
Well, he was in my yard, because that's where he shot her.
Oh, okay.
He shot from the other side? Okay, he shot from the other side of the gate.
Other side, I had my gun.
Okay.
And he just put down that gun, put down that gun, and put down your fucking gun.
Oh,
And then he shot me.
okay, that's what happened, I guess. So,
Yeah.
okay.
So you guys don't know where he went?
Okay, babe, just please breathe, okay? Okay, how long do you think until someone can be here?
Well, the officers are looking for this man. That's why I'm asking. Do you know where he went?
I have no idea where he went. Where was he when you got shot?
Now, there are 3 men out at the other side of this fence here.
Okay.
A short time later, Shriner stepped outside with their nanny beside her and surrendered to officers without further incident.
Hey, she shot on her arm. Do you want to go for it? Put your little hand back.
Shriner was treated for a gunshot wound and taken into custody. Investigators recovered a handgun at the scene and later confirmed she was not connected to the hit-and-run that began the search. She was charged with attempted murder of a police officer and released on a $1 million bond. Months later, the court approved her for a mental health diversion program, a legal process that may dismiss her charges if she completes treatment.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.